And the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
If you like money and crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today, Robinhood will pay roughly $70 million in penalties for its system wide outages and misleading communications and trading practices at, for the customers. FINRA, a financial industry authority, considered the widespread and insufficient harm suffered by customers, including millions of customers who receive false and misleading information from the firm. Millions of customers affected by the firm's system outages in March 2020, and thousands of customers who approved the trades options, even if it was not appropriate, was found to face suffered multiple days of outages during the 2020 pandemic, leaving clients unable to trade equities, options, or cryptocurrency. The platform remained offline during some of the highest volume tradings and in the midst of the fastest bear market in history. Robinhood also faced criticism over the death of a 20-year-old trader who killed himself after believing he racked up huge losses on Robinhood. The
My,
suicide was mentioned in FINRA press release. Robinhood neither admitted nor denied the charges. Robinhood has invested heavily in improving its platform stability, enhancing their educational resources, and building out their customer support and legal compliance team.
yeah.
Quite sad, Manish.
Yeah,
20
the
year
fine
old.
was the largest ever imposed by a financial industry regulatory authority, which is known as FINRA, as you mentioned, was the latest legal punishment for Robinhood. This is a 8-year old startup, has upended the online brokerage business by introducing free trading, and now they end up with this huge fine. Quite sad. And
Yeah, even the trader, right? A 20-year-old who.
yeah,
So
that's
I think all of this will probably lead to more compliance coming in. It's a
yeah.
1.4 trillion
Probably
debt.
he would have seen his money dropped and then got panic, anxiety attack, and
Mm,
followed with the suicide.
right.
Very sad.
Yeah, it is. So that's all I have. Today is a bit quiet. Nothing much happening in the news except for a tweet that came from Elon Musk, which I posted on our Facebook page.
Mhm.
And he mentioned something. Let me
He
load that.
put some dodgy multiple times and he posted.
Yeah,
What was
he
that mean? Huh? Dodgy.
so he put the Godfather, picture of the Godfather, as
Uh,
well as also saying that in the midst of doing, I think, some editing,
or
he
maybe
said,
some
"Come,
bug he was mentioning earlier.
yes, trying to
Some bug
execute.
fix. Hmm.
Tell me the code you are executing and does not compile." So maybe there's a hint that
Hmm.
Dodge is actually undergoing certain changes in
Good lah.
terms.
I think it's good for us. Yeah.
It's good. It's good. Is it either that or maybe? I mean, I'm just speculating. Elon Musk knows that the biggest wallet holder for Dodge is Robinhood, and because Robinhood now has this $70 million fine,
Hmm.
maybe he's hoping to raise Dodge so that Robinhood can
Robin Hood can, yeah,
use.
compensate some kind of money and retrieve some money. Yep.
Right? I don't know. I
Awesome.
don't know. I mean, I was just seeing
But
one of the
hard to decode his
hard.
some
Yeah,
tweets.
yeah, hard to decode.
Yeah.
So that's all I have in the news front. Manish, over to you.
Okay, so today I put some research and come up with top 4 coin for July month. It's my own research. Don't take this as a financial advice, guys. But I have a reason why I selected this, and probably you can earn 2x your money in this month alone. Means it's just in
Wow.
July month. If you want to invest it, you can 2x it. And I'm going to reveal all the 4 coins. Okay, let me share the screen first.
So while Manish set that up, join us daily live on YouTube and Facebook, 9 p.m. Singapore time and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you like money and crypto, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Manish, over to you.
Yes, Usually, this is screens shared by Wayne only. So my first coin I'm going to reveal is, let me search first, is bakery token. So during this bear market, it's dropped a lot, but there was a time that token was performing really great. I show you, if you see one day chart, it's come down to almost $1.85, and it's gone down up to 120 or 130 also. So if you see overall chart for this crypto, in the good time it was around $8, and a drip is really drastic. And this is the second Binance smart chain coin which allows pancake a swapping, like pancake swap, right? Similar, this token also allow a swapping. So this coin has a potential, it can go up. We can put our money in for a month just for a trading purpose. Even you can put in for a longer investment as well, but this is going to come up, at least you are going to make your money double in this month alone.
Awesome.
Yeah, yeah, so I'll just move to second coin. So the second coin is, and yeah, let me tell you some speciality about this coin. Bakery Swipe is the first AMM plus NFT exchange on Binance Smart Chain. As at core, Bakery Swap is an MM. AMM means automated market maker protocol that comes with a swap and yielding features. So let's move to our second coin called GRT. Graph. Those who are not aware about Graph, the Graph is an Ethereum token that powers the Graph, a decentralized protocol for indexing and querying data from blockchain. Just as Google index the web, the Graph index blockchain data from network like Ethereum and Filecoin. It has its own blockchain. So this coin also was performing well in the past. If you see overall, it gone up to, currently it's gone up to $2.71. But if you see now, it's in 50 cents. So
Wow.
it's really a big dip. You can invest here, and probably this coin also going to come up soon.
How do we buy these coins, Manish? The like bakery, the graph.
You can, all these coins which I'm mentioning here, all are listed in the Binance. You'll be able to buy
Oh,
it in a
okay. So we can
Binance.
just buy it of
Yes,
Binance International. Okay.
yes, Binance International. All right. So third coin, you might have not heard about this, but let me show you. It's Chili. Chilis.
Chilies. Okay.
Yeah. So Chili is the world leading blockchain fintech provider for sports and entertainment. Chili's is a currency option for blockchain backed product and services geared towards mainstream consumers. We want to uh, just to let you know, the Chili's provides sports and entertainment entities with the blockchain based tools to help them engage and monetize their audience. So this is into a sports and entertainment. It has a very good future. Currently it's in down state, but this also going to be up soon. Let me show you the market cap also, quite good. And if you see, uh, in the past performances, it hit similar to the Dodge. It hit up to 72 cents.
Wow.
Current, yeah, currently
Okay.
it's in 24 cents.
Mm.
So this also a pretty good option if you want.
Okay.
And last but not the least is Harmony. Harmony. Harmony.
I heard of harmony. Okay.
Yeah. It's called One. Yeah. This is also a very good coin and have very good potential. Harmony price was surged more than 5,000% since the beginning of the year. It's like a Siva and Doji only. It's boomed like anything this year. It positioned itself as a fast and secure platform for decentralized application and in making big waves in the blockchain community. The platform was designed to solve crucial problems, plugins, blockchain ecosystems like Ethereum, including high fees, slow transaction speed, and scalability issues. So, if you see lifetime highest price for this, it was around 1 cent.
Mm.
No, it was sorry, it was more than that. If you see here, it's more than 1 cent.
Zero
Yeah,
point 0.1, right?
0.1. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, 0.199.
Mm.
So currently is available in
Six.
0.6366. So you can invest in this coin, and then probably in this month itself you can double your money investment. So that's all I have it for today. These are the
Awesome.
four coins which I did my research, and probably I'm going to put some money here and see whether I'm able to make it 2x.
Awesome. That's awesome.
Yeah,
Thanks, Manish.
yeah.
Yes. Okay, so let's head over to the psychological part of the markets. Let me just share my screen. So the fear for this week still range in the 20s. We have not actually moved into the confidence state. Primarily, basically because of the Bitcoin still bouncing, channeling towards the side, not giving us a bit of hope and sometimes a bit of fear, right? It's also quiet on the stock market side of things. No, everything is just moving side. It's been a quiet day today. Somehow I just feel it's
Hmm.
Thursday. But it's also, a sea of red, right? Bitcoin is down, Ethereum, USDT slightly a bit up, and yeah, so um, nothing to really look at today.
Yeah, the market
Uh,
is very quiet. News
Quiet.
also.
Right. And we slightly lost. I mean, we have still about 10,000 cryptos, right? No, 300 over exchanges. Yesterday I was talking about the market cap, which was about 1.4 trillion. Today
Hmm.
it's down, slightly a
Yeah,
bit down. So money is slightly a bit coming out. So uh, I don't know. We'll just have to wait. We'll just have to wait. We are still in July. We only expect another month.
hmm.
So acquire as much as we can because the bull is going to come soon. And I don't know whether we will ever come back to this price ever again. So let's see. So in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is down by 2.20. Ethereum is slightly up by 0.57. USDT is up by 0.02. BNB is up by 0.70. Cardano is up by 1.25. Doge is up by 3.27. I don't know whether is it due to the tweet, but we'll see soon.
Yeah.
Currently now it's trading at 0.
Afternoon it was 24, I think. Hmm.
Okay, so we'll see. Currently it's about 25 cents. So let's see. XRP is up by 1.1. USD is up by 0.04. Polkadot is up by 2.01. And Uniswap is up by 3.39. Solana is also up by 5.10. Again, looking at the 6 months trend, we are all in the green, doing well in the last 6 months. Yeah,
Look at the bake where it's coming.
let's see
It'll
what.
be, yeah. What is the 6 month for?
Yeah, 12,000%.
Hmm.
12,000%. It's actually now, is it bake swap? Bakery swap,
Yeah,
right?
bakery swipe. It's a
Uh,
swipe coin,
hmm.
and it hits maximum. It's gone up to $8. So currently it's in $1 state.
Wow. Wow.
From
Okay. Let me see what happened in the last 3 months. They are still higher.
hmm,
Oh, so in the last one they went down. Wow.
yeah, just last 1 month it's
So not
going
too
down up
bad.
to
Yeah,
50%.
might be something to consider. In the last 3 months, they are still up 65%.
Yeah,
Mm. So $1 is still cheap, Manish.
Yeah, it's still
And
cheap.
and if I'm not mistaken, this is actually used for all the bakeries, right?
Yeah, all the bakeries. And this is the protocol is very unique. First in cryptocurrency, AMM, they call it AMM.
Mm.
And also same like pancake swap, they have a swapping feature.
Mm. Quite interesting. What was the
Hmm.
others? Let's look at the others. You had a few. You
Yeah,
had bake,
bake. And then the second one was the graph, GRT.
GRT. So GRT. Okay, let's see.
GRTT as in tango.
Yeah,
Oh
the
yeah,
graph.
that's the one. Yeah.
Market cap was 1.5 billion. Huh?
Hmm.
What was cake? Let's see. Oh, cake is
No,
2.4.
this is a different cake. This is a different cake. This is a pancake. The one which I said is a bake, BAKE.
Oh, sorry. BAKE. BAKE was, oh, market cap zero. Huh?
Huh?
I don't know. Is it not updated or something? Maybe we have to check this.
Cannot. I just checked in the other platform. It was
Mm.
showing different. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe this is not updated, but
Mm.
we'll check that. So GRT, 1.5 billion, six. Okay, so how were they doing in the last 3 months? Let's see. Okay, they lost a lot, huh?
They lost a lot.
But in the last 6 months, about 50. Hmm,
Yeah. And the other one was CHZ, Chili's.
1.4 billion market cap, also at 20 cents. Last 3 months, lost 51%. Wow.
Mm.
6 months, 1,000%. Last month, 10%.
Mm.
Hmm. Yeah. Looks there's potential opportunity there.
Potential opportunities.
Yeah. And the other one, Manish, you had four.
And the last one is Harmony, ONE one.
Yeah. Yeah. This one I'm actually interested in.
Mm.
Slightly a bit smaller market cap, not even in the
And
billion.
it's the price is really really less now.
Wow. Hey, I wonder whether can we mine this, Manish?
Yeah, we should mind
Huh?
this also because that has a potential and is
Yeah.
also going to be up. See, look at that 6 month, no,
Hmm. Yeah,
and the
because
price is seriously very low as at this moment.
yeah, I
And
think
it gone up to 70 cents in the
70
past.
cents.
Yeah, it gone up to 70 cent in the past. Let's see.
Hmm.
See the all time hit. What was the maximum?
Let's see year to date. Hmm. Are you sure 70 cents? Let's see. Yeah. No, it's 21 cents.
21 cents, sorry. Yeah,
Maybe that one was
probably
another
the
coin.
another one, the chilies or something.
Yeah, this one, wow, look at that. Only went, wow, started to go up. Hmm. Now it's, wow, the highest was close to about 20 cents. Huh? And
Mm,
today, wow, it's like such a drop. The drop happened yeah, I think when Bitcoin started to fall.
mm.
Yeah.
This is not good for huge investment, but at least for the trading is good. And looking at the current price,
Mm, yeah,
even
correct.
bake also. I don't think so. $1 we can get opportunity.
Agreed. Totally agree. I think, yeah, these are coins that we can look at that is below $1. So we can acquire more coins.
Mm.
I think, yeah, let's see how that works. Okay. Let's move on to, yeah, guys, I just wanted to share. Currently now we are on Linktree also. So most of our links we have put here. Basically, our philosophy is to learn together, right? Earn together, and also to teach, to basically to share with each other as a community. We are live daily. It's a commitment that myself and Manish is doing, and we have everything, right? You have the YouTube. You can find most of our learning and trainings there. So
Mhm.
if you click the link, just maybe let you see.
Yeah,
Yeah,
straight away you will get a
you
subscribe
subscribe.
option.
You can
Do hit
subscribe.
the subscribe.
Yeah, and come here. So this portion here, these are all the how to's, right? So you can learn everything that myself and Manish are getting questions on how to do that, and all our live streaming videos are here. So do subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. You can just select that, or just now when you click the link, it actually prompts you. Then we have our blog, right? So this is something that Manish spent a lot of time. So We have daily updates on certain things that could help you aid in your decision making in terms of trading. Of course, there's merchandise for most of you who are actually interested in that,
Close option.
right? Um, then we are also on TikTok. Sometimes we want to share something that is less than 1 minute, so you can quickly understand. We also are on Facebook, so we have our lives on YouTube and Facebook. We have Instagram and we're on Twitter. And the reason why we do this is because we are currently going through this adoption stage where banks and policy makers sometimes have a tendency to shut down the crypto conversation. And we don't want to lose the connection with you guys. So if for some reason YouTube shuts us down, you be sure that you can still find us on Facebook and any of the channels. So take note on that.
Yep.
Yeah, let's go over to the technicals. So like I mentioned, we are still moving sideways. The highest we ever hit was about 40. Still right at the trend line. Seems we can't. We are. I think everybody is still waiting to actually move either down or up. Right? It's a twilight zone. This word twilight zone. We still have been saying this for quite some time. Looking at the MA after hitting the cross, um, again, this is looking at the 1 day, even at the 4 hours, that it seems to be on the up. Previously, now we are back on the downtrend. Um, I will try to change my screen soon to Bollinger so that you guys can actually look over that portion. Let me just see if I can go on the 1 day time zone and take the highest height. This is basically how we do the Fibonacci, right?
Yeah.
Fibonacci retracement. Just take the top, head down to the lower, which is somewhere between the yeah. So this is the golden. So you can see that there's potential for it to even dip down with somewhere around here. I can't put the line, but we are looking at maybe about a 20,000 mark. But if it hits here, if it hits above this junction between the EMA 255, we will see a very nice climb, hopefully breaking our boundaries, which is about 50,000 to 60. And if we
Mm.
hit that, guys, then we will hit to the 100K by end of this year. But until then, we will still hover here, what is known as distribution, right? I don't know whether that's true. It almost seems like everybody is trying to preach the week off. Like there's some game book that all the billionaires will be using, and it might be true. I don't know. All I know is just I'm acquiring now. So myself and Manish made a few purchases over the last few days and few weeks. We reconsolidated
Mm.
to just acquire as much Bitcoin as we can. Yeah, and of course the other 40% which we talk about is mostly for trading, right? Uh, so that's all I have. Just maybe a recap. Oh, Loon is here. Hi, Loon. Welcome
Alone.
back. We'll see you on Saturday. So for those who want to hear Loon's take on things, he will be on the show this Saturday at 9 p.m. Loon, we were just covering a few things that Manish covered. Just maybe for those, I can see some questions coming in also. I think Manish covered a few coins. One was big, right?
Mm.
Seems to be something good, right? It's also about 12,000% raise. We spoke also about GRT, which is the
Mm.
graph, another good item, great market cap. It was trading, quite high at a certain point, but until the Bitcoin start to crash, it naturally follow. Another portion, Manish, what was it?
Mm. And the other one was Harmony One.
Harmony one. Yeah.
Mm.
So harmony we might. Yeah, I'm gonna test this out. I'm gonna see whether I can mine this because it's 6 cents now. At some I think it was quite
It's
high.
less than 6 cents or is it 6 cents?
Six cents.
Oh, 6 cents.
Yeah.
Mm.
Sorry, less than 6 cents. Manish, you're right. It's
Yeah,
less
less
than
than
six.
six.
0.6 is 6 cents,
Yeah.
right? 0.06
It's
is
even very less. Yeah. It's same as.
less than a penny.
Yeah, less than a penny.
less than a penny, right? So 1 year ago, it was trading about, yeah, 22 cents, right?
22
So
cents.
wow, good.
Drastic, no?
Yeah,
Yeah.
drastic fall. Looks like a good deal for this. So this is something that yeah, we will look into this. And one more, what was it, Manish?
CLZ, Chili's,
Oh,
for
chilies.
sports and entertainment industry.
Yeah, CHZ, right? Yeah, this
Yeah,
one.
Chili's, yes.
1000%. So it's now at 24 cents. Market cap also is about 1.44 billion. Yeah. Let's look at a year, how it was performing 1 year ago. Yeah, this is the 70 cents, Manish.
Yeah, this is the 70 cents. Yeah.
Yeah, so at one point, oh, 80 cents. 88 cents was the highest it was ever.
Yeah.
And today it is trading at 20 cents, right?
Yeah, similar trend as Dodgy.
So it's
Dodgy
about
also hit 75 cents, maximum 80 cents.
mm,
And then,
yeah. So within a month or two, this we will start to see this. I think it will correlate again with
yeah.
Bitcoin.
So if
Um,
you just wanted to 2x your investment, this is what my analysis says. Do
right.
yours also.
Yeah, do your own research. I mean, we are just a education company, company, and we a radio show, and we are just sharing our own opinion. So still, research is required on your
Yeah,
part,
research
and
is required.
be responsible when you trade.
Yeah.
So that's all I have with this session. You guys have any question? Just let us know in the comment section. Manish, I have one question that came in from Instagram.
Hmm.
Uh, is asking on cake. Sorry, not cake. Bake. What
Mm.
platform it sits on? Is it on Ethereum?
Big,
Yeah.
big um, Binance, Binance platform. Big
No, no,
is
not
a
not for
Binance.
trading. I think what he's asking is from the blockchain.
Yeah, yeah, blockchain is a Binance smart chain.
Oh, okay. Okay. So
Yeah,
Bake actually came out from Smart Chain. Is
yes,
is built
came
for
out from a
Binance.
smart chain. Yes,
Okay,
and
awesome.
this is the second coin which has a swapping feature, same like a pancake. It yeah.
Okay. Lester 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 is here. So Lester is asking which coin can moon 10x? Need money to buy milk powder. Yeah, Lester. 10x. I don't know. 10x. Manish, what do you think? 10x.
10x. Huh?
I think it will be one of the biggest bet we will do with Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin has a potential to do 10x
Mm,
in a few years.
yeah.
Yeah, Dave Dave said that Elon said Dogecoin. Uh no, I mean Dogecoin it could be 10x before it was because it was about 0.07.
Mm,
It's going up. I think last we checked it was about 3%.
mm.
Let's say joking. Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah, we know that, Lester. Dave, yeah, okay, so there's some correlation here. Okay, it's not, I'm not kind of coming from a conspiracy theory, but in today's news, we actually covered that what was this $70 million Robinhood actually had to pay due to some financial FINRA, right? They were
Yeah.
actually fined, and we know through some YouTuber that the biggest wallet for Dodge is Robinhood. So was it so timely that our dear friend Elon had to tweet at 2 hours ago, which was about 7 p.m. just when
Mm,
the news came out about 19 hours later. So billionaires work with a few billionaires, so it's a game that they play. And I mean, I, I'm j- I'm just hoping that he actually take whatever the Cardano, right? Cardano CEO
mm,
mentioned to actually upgrade Dodge, because it's such a waste that we have reached in the top 10. There's a great market cap,
mm,
and but I don't know. Like I said, I'm half and half with Elon, because his thought process is very you can't predict. It's unpredictable, but he wants to keep it fun, right? He wants to keep it fun, and I'm just looking at Dodge as something very similar to the US dollars, right? So US dollar continues unlimited supply since we unpack from the gold.
Mm.
Uh he's a troll. Learn he's a troll. Dave, yeah. No, I 10 bucks is a long shot. To
Long
be
shots. It's not
yeah,
so
to
nearby. Yeah,
yeah, to
it's not.
it's tough when you don't have supply and demand in place, right? Unlimited. But to get to a dollar, I think that has always
Yeah,
been the
I'm also looking for somewhere around that. After
yeah,
that,
yeah. After that, I might just dump it all and then move on to the
yeah,
next best thing. So, portfolio again. We talk about portfolio management. It's important, right? So, 50% Bitcoin, 40% we are putting in things like Cardano, Solana. Cardano definitely have a good roadmap. Solana is another aspect. Ethereum, we see certain upgrades. Manish, we were looking at
yeah.
the
These are the
blockchain.
safest.
Yeah, they'll be around. They'll be around, but we at any point of time we keep ourselves updated because anytime things can change. We are looking right now at a 90 days plan for the country El Salvador and also
Yeah, I'm
Paraguay.
also looking for a citizenship there.
Yeah, citizenship, Manish. You need 3 Bitcoin.
Yeah,
You just write into the president, you can get you can get
yeah,
Bitcoin, big yeah, loan definitely. Bitcoin is all the way. I really like, to be honest, I really like Michael Saylor. I think he's a visionary. Yes, he did tweeted before he hated this whole cryptocurrency is a scam, but I think he really gave it some thought. The guy came from MIT. He spent time. He's a smart guy, and I think he knows that this digital land is going to be after 21 million. That's it. So I'm buying to hold all the way. Not
yeah,
going to sell at all Bitcoin, but I'm going to trade a lot of other coins, right? With the 40%. Uh, Bitcoin Cash, Dave. Bitcoin Cash. It's an offshoot from Bitcoin, right? Based on the fork, the Bitcoin went through 2,000 over changes. Taproot will be coming out in November. There's two coins that surfaced from Bitcoin, which tried to look at lesser gas fee, faster transaction. They were, I think, Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Vision, which tried to align to Satoshi's vision, and the other one was Bitcoin Cash. Um, depends. I mean, what is your strategy? Because I'm owning Bitcoin. That's it. Period. But if you are trying to gain capital, then the same amount. If you have $10,000, instead of putting in Bitcoin, put into Bitcoin Cash. But again, when Bitcoin rises, Bitcoin Cash will follow. And even if you cash that out to buy back into Bitcoin, you actually kind of come
yeah.
back to
All
the
these
same.
altcoin is a alternative to make some money and finally invest in a Bitcoin.
Yeah, so the portfolio is very important to make sure that your other 50% buys into Lester said help me shield Alpha Finance Lab. Oh, we have to check on that. Lester is also in this
Huh.
field for quite some time, and I get to learn a lot from him. So if you guys want to know, yeah, Lester
Yeah,
is
yeah.
the man.
Loon saying every month add in. Yeah, we follow this.
Yeah, legal tender, Dave. Correct. 90 days plan for El Salvador. Paraguay follows. But now there are certain sanctions coming in because they are worried that the South America. I mean, I had a discussion with a friend recently, and he said that he's still is not keen on Bitcoin yet because these are third world country. So it's not like Japan being understanding the technology now is going to accumulate Bitcoin.
Hmm.
But again, it's just two different perspective. To me, the country taken it first, and like one Loon has mentioned before, money follows the talent, and the talents are all going to go into a third world country, and we should be able to see good GDP growth. The government, the president is also giving $30 worth of Bitcoin to all the staff there, and a lot of opportunities. Now we know we get to see mining that is going to happen. So who knows? Maybe China people will be moving instead
Yeah,
of North America, move to El Salvador, learn Spanish, use the volcano, right? Clean and maybe get Elon Musk on board. 20 days from now, guys, there will be a conversation, good conversation, which will be CEO of Twitter, uh, and Elon Musk. They'll be having this conversation, which I'm actually curious to find out. Will they be talking about policies? Will they be talking about environment? Will they be addressing certain issues like uh, proof of stake versus
Proof of
what is
work.
proof of work, right? Because I think Michael Saylor said that proof of work still has its place in the crypto space.
Yeah,
Although,
proof of work is much more powerful with much
yeah,
more security features. Yes.
right. So I don't think proof of work will be eliminated in at any point of time. It will be there. Maybe a taproot kind of a upgrade.
Upgrade,
Um,
and then yeah, further efficiencies and further enhancement in the energy side. Yep.
yeah. So
Uh,
it'll be, if you look at this, it's basically energy, speed, and what is it? Security. That's it,
security.
right?
Yes, correct.
So let's see what happens to that. It's going to change the whole system. Yeah, Dave. I mean, you can't run away from blockchain. Blockchain is going to it's the web 3.0, right? We said web 1.0 was creating website where people consume information. Web 2.0 was social media where we create communities, tribes, and all that. And web 3.0 is security, and blockchain is the new internet. And if you look back in the past, when the internet first came out, there were scams, there was FUD in the marketplace. People said that, how can, there was that boom, right? We went
Yeah,
through
the
all,
people say
everybody just,
that they fear for privacy also.
yeah, we put, everybody just put the name .com, and then they started to raise money. People throw in large volume. It is happening again. So history did not change. It's just a repetition. Yeah, Loon dollar cost average. I think we saw our good friend, what his name, George, right? Gave a really nice analogy of 3 months and sorry, 3 years, right? $100 a week, 52 weeks for 3 years. You actually, I think, 20x your money.
Mm.
Altcoins, yeah, Dave. Altcoins. I think that's the only way to gain capital, unless you have deep pockets like Loon. Then your portfolio can be like 90% Bitcoin and 10% maybe
Yeah.
George, and so yeah, so may clear out from the system in time. It will. I mean, altcoins will come and go, Dave. If you look at this screen which I share, you can have a glance at the market, the kind of the size of the market, in fact, right? This, look at this
Yeah.
box here. This is 50% of Bitcoin, and then you have Ethereum, another block, and all these other coins here makes up the other 30%, right? And we
Mm.
have 10,000 coins. We are 3 months. Sorry, 380 exchanges. So two big boys, they're not going away. So 50% of us is doing the Bitcoin, Ethereum. We will kind of play Ethereum using the Bollinger. So if you want to learn how to trade that, you can always go to our
Yeah,
root
and some
zones.
of the some of the guys will come out from the altcoin also, because there are some good projects
Right,
which I think has a potential to give a competition to Ethereum.
right. So Dave, check out the Bollinger. This video that I've done here. It will give you a trade to a way to actually buy into the dips. For two things, either for capital or for like staking the Bitcoin. And Manish and myself, I just realized Binance SG you can't stake. You actually have to do that on
Yeah, Binance
Binance
SG
International.
is a very flat kind of feature.
Yeah,
Not even a mobile app do not have it.
exactly.
Some 10 12 coins are listed. You just buy and sell.
Yeah. Yeah, Bollinger. They so it actually helps you to buy the lows and sell the high for trading. That should be your 40%. So thank you guys for joining us. We'll see you tomorrow again, same
Yeah.
time, same channel. Manish,
Yeah, and if you have any further questions, please let us know.
take care.
Take care.